Well, hi guys, I am Ludo, part of a team of professional traders here in Prague, Central Europe. Just a brief introduction, we are a trading academy with the mission of educating our audience in becoming top professional trader. And how do we do that? We do that through our website and throughout our social media pages by publishing on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and YouTube our content material, analytics and results. Well, I'm here today just to introduce you to our new strategy developed here at Trading Academy. And this is going to be a very great opportunity for you to see how easy is our concept and way of working within all the various trading market, and how easy it's going to be for you to take that profit back home. Well, I just would like to add you a little feature. We have as well every Tuesday and every Thursday our weekly webinars, which also could be a very great opportunity for you to be in touch with one of our in-house top trader and interact with him, asking all the questions you may have. Well, as in today, I'm going to introduce you to FX Pro, the new strategy I was talking about throughout a theoretical presentation and some more action on our forex tester. But for now it's all, and let's move on. Well guys, as in today I want to introduce you to a simple money trading strategy for forex, and I would like to introduce you that speaking about all our forex educational program, which is a simple and efficient way of learning how to trend following and become more consistent within your daily trading experience, helping you out in bringing home that profit you always wanted to gain. Therefore, follow us, you won't regret it. But I want to tell you more about the strategy that I'm going to introduce you today, and especially the first step. Well, this first lesson is going to be based on our pattern shooting star, rising star, and actually how to take advantage of it. And we're gonna go through a theoretical fundamental part, followed by a more action, more practical one on our forex tester. Well, as in today, I would like to talk about some crucial concept regarding our first pattern, shooting stars and rising stars. And first of all, we need to understand what is a moving average and why we use this indicator in order to capitalize our profit when we read this pattern. Then of course we're gonna start talking about the pattern itself and how the market draws it and how it behaves, and definitely how we're gonna enter to win that trade. Well, starting off with understanding a moving average. Well, the moving average is a widely used trend following indicator which is applied to predict how the price level is gonna behave and what trend is going to take. Well, the two basics and most commonly utilized moving average are the small moving average SMA and the exponential moving average. Well, they differ because one is going to give us an arithmetical mean, an arithmetical average on the closing period that the trader has decided for the specific scenario, while on the other hand the exponential moving average takes care more about the most recent closing price level, making it more of a weighted average. I just want to show you on the chart how it's gonna look like and how to set it up. Well, we go to the indicator list, of course, on trend and moving average. We'll decide on an average of period 12 period, so 12 candles backs per each day, and we are on 1 hour time frame over here, exponential and simple, as you can see in the moving average method, and apply with close. You can apply it as well with medium and entry and so much more else. But we want to look closer to the closing of the price. I'm gonna put it red. So you see, it's a trend following line that follows the trend of the market and where actually the price is moving to. Well, for this specific scenario, here we want to use two different exponential moving average, and it's an average of 72, which is 3 days, and an average of 12, 1 day. And we need to use this specific value because we're gonna see back after that we need a rejection in price at EMA 72 in order to open our trade. But let's go 1 second to the chart. So I will show you that how important is to place two different exponential moving average to better understand when and how to anticipate that price movement, that reversal that we want to trade. So here, as you can see, here I'm gonna just give you a couple of hints that when the average EMA 72 crosses above the EMA 12, it's a signal that the market is going down this way. However, on the other hand, when it closes below, it means that we're gonna have a swing up. This is a very crucial concept. However, we will go more deeper into detail when we start looking at the actual shooting star and rising star pattern strategy. But let's go back here. We have our pattern that is mainly based on the price level and supplies and demand concept, and is usually traded within 1 hour time frame. So we need to have several attributes that the market needs to satisfy, which is a big uptrend or a big downtrend, and look for this support and resistance level, because as I told you, we are working on supply and demand feature. Rejection at the exponential moving average 72 and price opening the 12. Let's go on the chart and I will show you a little bit better how we can actually enter and close a deal before we actually gonna move on the tester, where I show you the actual practice. As you can see here, great example over here on 1 hour time frame, we are on Australian dollar, US dollar, and I can show you here that here market is crossing above, therefore looking for a downtrend and possible opportunity to gain, because the market is rejecting this price at EMA 72 over here. It is rejecting close over here. It is rejecting very close over here. It is rejecting very close over here. It is rejecting very close over here. And those are all very good opportunity for us to bring back home that profit. And I will just show you. If you, for instance, open the trade here, because here you can see first one big candlestick closing below the EMA 12, and I want to bring you a little bit more closer within the candlestick. And if you see over here, candlestick is closing almost below, one candlestick entering, and this is 1 hour time frame. So within this day, if we open here, we would have made $172 per lot. Ain't bad, right? I'm gonna show you another example. Over here, closing below, entering, I would close approximately here. And then we will go through more about the trade management and how and where to put stop loss and profit. Just to give you a look on how could be profitable. This on 1 hour time frame is 453 US dollar. I'm gonna move to the next one. I show you this one.
this one closing back again till here. This would have brought us 460 approximately. So you can see that this is a pretty simple and easy strategy, and it's definitely one that any kind of trader can take advantage of. It doesn't depend on a risk, it doesn't depend on how cautious you are, because this is a universal strategy that everybody can follow and anybody could win with it. So let's move on. As I was telling you, enter the market at 72. When the price goes below the EMA 12, we are going to be able to open a position and gain that profit. And also, regarding the stop loss and take profit, we need to place the stop loss above the EMA 72. So let's say, as we tell, we want to enter here, the stop loss is going to appear for us over here. We want to place it just above here, and we take profit.
Very much. Sorry for today. I was doing this today, and also a lot of noise here. So
over here. I'm gonna be over here, and as well for all the rest. Over here, over here, we're gonna put the whole stop loss above the blue line, EMA 72. So, now that we went through all this theoretical concept for our pattern, shooting star and racing stars, I want to take more action and bring you to the forex tester, where we'll have an actual trading experience. Let's move on. Well, hi guys, as promised, we are here on our in-house developed forex tester, and I just want to show you how easy it is to spot this pattern that I was talking with you about in the previous presentation, and how to actually trade it and get that profit home. Well, I want to show you that we can move it faster, so we can actually start seeking for the pattern we want to see. We are trading at the moment on 1 hour time frame, as you can see over here, and we are trading Australian dollar USD. So these are the currency pair that I picked for this example. Let's move on. I want to show you here I see that there is a very great opportunity, I think, because the EMA 72 exponential moving average is crossing below, therefore possible uptrend, therefore after a long steep reversal movement, and this is exactly what actually we're looking for while trading this pattern. And let's move it slower so we can actually see that candlestick moving in. I'm gonna open it up a little bit. I'm gonna zoom in and show you that this, for instance, this is the perfect spot to open in position. Candlestick opening below the EMA 12, closing the price above. This is a very good signal that you should open a long trade while trading this pattern. I'm gonna put my stop loss over here, just below the rejection of the price, and let's do one-to-one average here, one-to-one approximately, just even a little bit less than one-to-one, and I would say that I opened this trade on 0.10 lot. Therefore, we are gonna see after how much we are gonna gain. So this is an example of a long trade which I want to show you, and then after we're gonna seek as well for a short potential scenario. Let's put it faster so we can see if we actually caught the trade right. I actually opened it maybe a little bit before being a bit aggressive in this case, but I believe the market will move up. As you can see, we for opening a trade at that stage level on 0.10 lot, we gain 32 euro. Therefore, if we open that trade within one lot, it would have been 320 euro. The next one we're gonna open it with one lot. But let's start again, moving faster towards some short potential. And I'm not reading the whole trend because I believe, like, I want to see that strong rejection like we saw it previously at this level over here. And yes, that's what I'm always looking for, strong rejection on EMA 72 to trade this full-on pattern. Over here I believe price also is moving up again. I just want to show you examples of how to short this specific pattern and how to place stop loss. Also here I can see that nice possibility of going more long. Let's see if I can show you another example on how to open a trade in this possible long scenario. Over here is going to reject the price. Let's have a look if it is actually here. I open a trade. I open a long trade and we gain over here with that specific trade opening in here. You see the price is rejected here, closing here, moving up. We gain with that like $133 over a lot. I believe that this was as well a very easy way of opening a trade, and here is what all we talk about in our academy. We're looking for simple system to help people getting the profit and earnings back home. It's very important to understand that trading is based on concept of pattern and understanding the price level. Of course, there is so much more to happen going on the trading world. However, I believe that keeping it simple and easy, reading this pattern would be very useful, bringing benefit to you as a household. I'm just still looking for a pattern of shorting. I'm waiting for the EMA 72 to cross above the EMA 12 and see if we can have like a strong pattern. Like over here, for instance, I could see that there is a strong possible scenario. I want to check it out more. Probably price over here is getting rejected. You can see over here price is rejected. I want to see this candlestick is gonna close its level below, and if it does, I'm gonna be opening a short position. Let's put play again. When it's rejected, closing, it's closed, I open a short trade over here. I'm gonna place, as I told you, the stop loss on top of our blue line EMA 72, and the take profit we're gonna place it. The take profit, we place it below this rejecting point. We're still having on one lot. I believe we can still even move to this support level. I believe price is going to kind of try and break this level, probably going a little bit up on a pullback over here, trying to retest it back. But I believe this trend is pretty much confirmed by this crossing over here, and I'm pretty confident that this trade is gonna bring us some more profit for the day. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at how this pattern will behave this time. As you see, it's still completely following the trend. I was pretty confident. We gain opening a trade at this level over here, where we had approximately, yeah, $500. So I believe, as I showed you here, this is a pattern that is very easy to understand. It has just few components. There is this indicator that will guide you throughout the currency pair and help you out in understanding those rejection points and the point of supply and demand that we were talking about, and very easy for you to open the trade and bring the profit back home. Let's go and have a short summary, guys.
Well, hi guys, if you like the content of this video, do not hesitate to visit our webpage, our social media on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and press the like button. Nonetheless, if you're interested in our weekly webinar, very great opportunity to learn new trading strategy and new profitable system, subscribe for it and we will see you there. For now it's all, and I wish you a very happy day.